Now, what the Supreme Court has done here is essentially say this obstruction of an official proceeding charge is essentially wrong, because when you look at precedent, the obstruction of official proceeding, in this case, the certification of that election which made Joe Biden president, essentially relates to documents, not rioters. So essentially what's going to happen is it looks like about 100 of the January 6th rioters that are in jail that only have this charge could be released, or they'll be recharged under different statutes. Now, of course, this is a rhetorical victory for Donald Trump, who has saluted the January 6th rioters as some sort of patriots, even potentially saying that he would pardon them if elected president after the November election. But it also relates to January the 6th and the charges against Donald Trump himself. There are a couple of charges in there that relate to this statute, and it could be that he can't be charged under those. Now, that's up to Jack Smith, the special prosecutor. In this case, he may have to go back to what's called a grand jury. He may have to add other charges or drop them. But what this is at least a rhetorical victory for the January 6th rioters who claim they were doing nothing wrong. Now, I was here that day. I could see the rioting. I could see what was going on, but this narrow charge of obstructing an official proceeding, apparently, according to the Supreme Court, does not apply to them, but potentially people who try to do it in a documentary or a procedural way. Nathan King, CGTN at the Supreme Court.